Today we'll show you how to add background music in OBS Studio. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching and follow these steps. Okay, first go now to open your OBS Studio. This is when I am now recording. This is the video. Just now you can go here to this plus here, just click and go to media source. Okay guys, just like this, and go to put background music like this guys. Okay, after this just now go to browse like this, and I will go now to this to telechargement. I will like this mp3, and I will put like emotion background music. Okay, so guys, it's now working. Okay, I know it's very good, and I will now to put it down to you listen me. Okay, this is now it's working, and did you listen? It's okay, everything it's okay guys. So don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.